Hi, this is Keith, and today we're exploring the Stimpson 405 Starter Kit. You'll see how easy it is to make settings using self-piercing grommets and the iconic 405 bench press. Each kit comes with a box of grommets and washers, the industry standard 405 bench press machine, a base plate, and setting tools made specifically for self-piercing grommets and washers. You'll also find a parts list and tool changing instructions. You can mount the 405 machine to a workbench through these mounting holes, or you can attach the included base plate. The base plate gives the machine stability, but still allows it to be portable. 405 starter kits come with a choice of 4 grommet sizes, from number 0 through number 3, which provide reinforced holes ranging from 1/4 inch to 7/16 of an inch. Our most popular size for many industries, especially signs and banners, is number 2, which has a 3/8 inch hole. Self-piercing grommets are designed to cut through your material at the same time they're being set, so there's no need to cut a hole first. This is a piece of 1/8 inch corrugated plastic commonly used for signs. We'll put grommets in the corners. The first step is to put the grommet on the top tool. It's important the grommet is positioned with the flange on the top. It holds in place by the friction between the grommet and the tool, so push it on firmly until it stays. The next step is to put the washer on the bottom tool. Washers sometimes nest together, so you could simply drop them on the table to make sure they separate. Stimpson includes extra washers in every box just in case you double them up. The washer should be oriented to sit in the groove on the bottom tool. Now you can place your material over the bottom tool and position it where you want the grommet to go. Then simply push down on the lever and the machine will cut a hole and set the grommet all at the same time. Sometimes you'll find a circle of material, which we call a slug, in the center of the grommet. This can easily be pushed out and discarded. Once you determine how far down the lever needs to go to make a tight setting, you can adjust the stroke adjusting screw to stop the lever at that exact point. Loosen the nut and raise the screw to meet the handle, then tighten the nut to hold the screw in position. Now you can simply press the handle down until it stops and know every setting will be exactly how you want it. Remember that the 405 can be used to set many other parts, including other sizes and types of grommets, eyelets, snaps, and clamps. All you have to do is change to the appropriate setting tool. Thanks for watching. Use the information on your screen to contact us with any questions, or subscribe to the Stimpson YouTube channel and check out the other videos in our digital workshop series.